Have you been to the Wynwood Private Lounge in Brooklyn yet? It's a brand new entertainment lounge that just opened up in Bushwick and is one of the 5 lounges owned by the brand Social Cues. You can rent out the lounge with your group, get the code to enter, and enjoy a BYOB party with your crew. It's basically Airbnb, but for a party. The space is great for corporate and social groups, no matter what the occasion. Just look at how fun the decor is around the walls. The space is colorful and the mood is party ready. There's a great bar area to set up with your group selected bartender, as you see here. And shout out to our queen, Rihanna, who is on this wall looking gorgeous as ever. For activities here at the lounge, there's a photo booth where you can select your accessories and take pics like this and this. Other activities here include a dartboard and pool table, karaoke, and other fun group games. And, of course, the bar. Again, cheers! We love a disco ball moment. Oh, and if you think you've seen a shinier bathroom, I don't think you have. Visit eventup.com and search for Social Cues to book your party.